Somebody on the group was asking about inexpensive American-made mandolins, and so I just thought I would give a shout out to this. It's not made in the USA, it's made in Canada, so it's North American made. It's a Seagull mandolin, and very inexpensive, under $500. And I'll just play a little bit so you have some idea of what it's like. So it's neither an A style nor an F style. It's their own thing, but it's just a beautiful little thing. I just love it. So, just by way of comparison, here's my very inexpensive Chinese-made one. So it's about half the price of my Seagull, but just it's okay. But there's something so satisfying about the Seagull. So, cheap A style from China versus lovingly made in Quebec, Canada, Seagull.